Have you ever wondered what makes Prague unique? Nestled in the heart of Europe, Prague is a melting pot of culture and history, a vibrant blend of ancient architecture and modern lifestyle. This city boasts a rich tapestry of Gothic and Baroque influences, splendid squares, and winding cobblestone streets. In this video, we invite you to embark on a virtual journey through Prague, exploring iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Now imagine waking up to a beautiful morning in Prague. Where do you begin your journey? Start your day in the heart of the city, the Old Town Square. This vibrant hub, steeped in centuries of history, is where the pulse of Prague truly beats. It's a place where time seems to have stood still, yet the energy of the present is palpably alive. The square is a treasure trove of architectural gems, each narrating a unique chapter in Prague's rich history. The astronomical clock, a marvel of medieval engineering, is a testament to the city's intellectual prowess. Every hour, a crowd gathers to witness the procession of the 12 Apostles, a spectacle that has enchanted onlookers for over 6 centuries. Then, there is the Tin Church, its majestic twin spires reaching for the sky. With its Gothic facade and Baroque interior, it's a perfect symbol of the city's architectural evolution. And standing in solemn defiance is the Jan Hus Monument. Erected in honor of a man who dared to challenge religious orthodoxy, it's a poignant reminder of Prague's indomitable spirit. As day breaks, the square awakens to a bustling ballet of life. The markets come alive with stalls offering everything from fresh produce to handcrafted trinkets, while the air fills with the inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee from quaint cafes. From the Old Town Square, a short walk takes you to our next stop. Cross the iconic Charles Bridge in the afternoon. As you make your way across, you're stepping on a piece of history that dates back to the 14th century. This construction marvel, named after King Charles IV, has withstood the test of time, floods, and wars. It's more than just a bridge, it's an emblem of the city's resilience. As you stroll along, you'll notice 30 statues lining both sides of the bridge. Each statue holds a unique story. From the revered St. John of Nepomuk, who was thrown into the Vltava River, to the revered Holy Roman Emperor Charles IV himself, these statues form an outdoor gallery that showcases Prague's rich religious and royal history. Speaking of the Vltava River, no visit to Charles Bridge would be complete without taking a moment to admire the stunning views. On one side, the river gently flows past the lesser town, while on the other, it meanders around the old town. It's a sight to behold, especially as the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over the city. Charles Bridge is more than a passage from one side of Prague to another. It's a connector of histories, of stories, and of people. It's where you can witness Prague's past and present converge in a beautiful dance. So take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and let the bridge's magic work its charm. Once you've crossed the bridge, you're ready to climb to new heights. Experience an enchanting sunset from the Prague Castle. As we journey up the cobblestone path to Prague Castle, the world's largest ancient castle, a sense of awe begins to set in. The castle's grandeur is palpable, its silhouette etched against the sky, commanding respect and admiration. It's a treat for the senses as the air carries the faint scent of history, and the rustling leaves whisper tales of the past. Perched atop the Hradčany Hill, the castle offers breathtaking views of the city. As the sun begins its descent, the cityscape is bathed in a warm, coppery glow. The Vltava River meanders lazily below, reflecting the sky's changing hues. This is the golden hour, where the city of 100 spires transforms into a painter's masterpiece, each steeple etched in sharp relief against the canvas of the sky. But the Prague Castle is more than just a stunning viewpoint. It's a living testament to the city's rich history, a chronicle of its past etched in stone. The castle has stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of power. Founded in the 9th century, it has served as the seat of Czech kings, emperors, and presidents, each leaving their unique imprint on its story. At the heart of the castle complex stands the majestic St. Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. With its towering spires and intricate stained glass windows, the cathedral is a sight to behold. Its significance extends beyond its architectural brilliance. It's the spiritual symbol of the Czech nation, a beacon of faith that has guided the country through centuries of change. As we explore the castle's sprawling courtyards and winding corridors, we're walking through the pages of history. Each stone, each archway has a story to tell, a tale of power and passion, of resilience and revolution. And so, As the final rays of the sun cast long shadows over the city, the castle stands tall, a sentinel watching over Prague. The city lights begin to twinkle, the night sky unfurls its star-studded blanket, and Prague transforms into a magical spectacle. As the sun sets over Prague, the city transforms into a magical spectacle. Witness Prague's vibrant nightlife in Wenceslas Square. As the heart of the city, Wenceslas Square pulsates with an energy that is both ancient and modern. This is the place where the people of Prague gather for shopping, dining, and to immerse themselves in the city's lively nightlife. Stretched out over a kilometer, this bustling avenue has been a witness to the city's history, a silent spectator to the rise and fall of empires, revolutions, and the constant ebb and flow of everyday life. Named after Saint Wenceslas, the patron saint of Bohemia, the square has been a central part of Prague's landscape since the 14th century. On one end of the square stands the magnificent National Museum, its imposing neo-Renaissance facade a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. This is one of the oldest museums in Europe, housing a collection of over 14 million items spanning various disciplines including natural history, art, music, and literature. It's a treasure trove for those who seek to delve into the depths of Prague's past. But Wenceslas Square is not just about the past. It's a place where the old and the new coexist, creating a unique blend that is quintessentially Prague. Here, you'll find a mix of historic buildings and modern establishments, from centuries-old chapels to contemporary boutiques and eateries. When the sun goes down, the square takes on a different persona. The daytime hustle gives way to a vibrant nightlife scene, with the sounds of music and laughter filling the air. From elegant cocktail bars to hip nightclubs, there's something for everyone. If you're a foodie, the square is home to a variety of restaurants offering a myriad of culinary experiences, from traditional Czech fare to international cuisines. As you stroll along the square under the soft glow of the streetlights, it's hard not to be charmed by its lively atmosphere. This is a place where locals and visitors alike come to enjoy the best of what Prague has to offer. Wenceslas Square is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the city, where you can witness the lively interplay of history and modernity. It's a testament to Prague's resilience, its ability to innovate while still honoring its past. And so, as the clock strikes midnight, your unforgettable day in Prague comes to an end. But the memories you've made and the stories you've heard will stay with you, long after you've left the city's enchanting streets. Wenceslas Square, like Prague itself, is a place that leaves an indelible mark on your heart. Prague, a city where history meets modernity. This is a place where cobblestone paths lead to architectural marvels, where every corner whispers tales of the past, and where the present thrives with a vibrant culture. From the grandeur of Prague Castle to the lively bustle of Wenceslas Square, this city is a tapestry woven with unique threads of beauty and tradition. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the magic of Prague yourself, because every journey here tells a different story.